How to repel deer from property. Deer were once the main source of food and clothing for early settlers. As our society became less dependent on them and they lost most of their natural predators, the deer population exploded. The damage they do to property can be frustrating and can cause safety concerns. To repel deer from your yard, you need to be persistent. One method may work better than another depending on the number of deer you have and how hungry they are. Things you will need: chili peppers, water, pump sprayer, eggs, milk, fabric softener sheets, fragrant soaps, human hair. Place crushed chili peppers in a gallon of water and allow to sit for several days. Strain the mixture into a pump sprayer and apply to the perimeter of your property. The more peppers you use, the stronger the mixture will be, so go for it. Mix a dozen eggs, 4 cups of milk and a gallon of water to make a rotten egg spray. After mixing, apply it to your yard with a pump sprayer. As the eggs rot, they will emit a sulfur smell that will repel the deer. Hang fabric softener strips or bars of a strongly scented soap in trees around your property. The more fragrant the better, as these sweet-smelling aromas will cause deer to steer clear of your yard. Put softball-sized clumps of human hair around the outer edges of your yard. The scent of humans is also a natural deer repellent. You can get an ample supply from a local barber shop or hair salon. Install an invisible fence if you have a dog, so Fido can have the run of your yard. Dogs are great for repelling all kinds of wild animals, including deer. Tips: warnings. If you decide to treat the problem with any type of chemicals, make sure you don't use them around food crops or vegetable gardens. Also, make sure you keep your pets away from treated areas. If you decide to treat things deer eat rather than just repelling by smell, be aware that if they're hungry enough they may eat it anyway. So whenever possible, adopt treatments that deter by scent.